What's up, guys? Julian here from jlewisTrading.com, and today we're talking about Nxtd. Crazy move again today. This stock has some exposure to Bitcoin one way or the other, and this thing decided that it was going to pop, and it's been running. You can see that it's up about 45%. The market's still open. And it's trending actually a lot lower than its actual high of the day, which was up around $8.50. I'm going to show you what we did here now. This is all pre-market action right here that I was watching. And I did have my my trendline resistance drawn right through here at pre-market, and what I was looking to do was to get long when that pre-market trendline resistance was broken. You can see right down through here, the timestamp 9:30 represents when the market opened. I actually truthfully missed my opportunity to get long this perfect little flag right through here. I was offered another opportunity right through here, and I missed that as well. And then what I was looking for was just a nice natural pullback. You can see right through here and through here, this was actually halted. It was confirmed through the NASDAQ halt list that Nxtd was in fact halted. It opened up a little bit higher over through here at 677, and it was up quite a bit at that point. And I was still sitting on this waiting for a pullback. And we were given some opportunities right through here when this stock pulled back and then rallied right through here. And at this particular junction in time, I'm just sitting on this and I'm waiting. I need to see exactly what I'm looking for. And it started to build itself out. You can see that we actually had this double top right through here, push price action down a little bit lower momentarily, and then bumped right through here. And I started to look at the lows, and the lows were getting higher and higher and higher, which is obviously an indicator that price action is looking to make new highs. And it was on this pullback right through here that I actually decided to get my trend lines on here, and I just simply connected my trend line resistance right through here. But there was also something else very interesting that I was looking at on this 1 minute chart, and it was this double top right through here. You'll notice that this double top offers us resistance at 625, and you can also see that we have trendline resistance with price action trading below 625. To me, this is a very, very key level that has to be taken out. You've got both horizontal resistance and trendline resistance on a stock that is extremely bullish, and you can see that it's created this flag up until this point. What I did here was I got long, and I was anticipating this breakout right through here, and I simply put up a target of high of day at that point, which was $6.73. I actually set a target to get out at $6.75. If it pushed through, I'd get filled, and that's exactly what happened. So you can see that this area right through here, where price action smashed out of both trendline and horizontal resistance, taking out that previous double top, we moved from 625, and I got sold out of this thing at 675. So I had a really, really nice move on that. I was a little bit bothered because this thing did rally all the way up to just over $8.50. So I actually left almost 2 full points on the table. With that said, this 3 minute move right through here was a very, very profitable move on the amount of shares that I was purchasing with 50 cents of movement. So that was a nice trade, and that was Nxtd. Again, this is a stock that has exposure one way or another to Bitcoin. It seems that anything that has Bitcoin in and around it is just on fire, which brings us to our next trade. So you'll see that JetPay Corporation, this is the same thing, exposure one way or another to Bitcoin, and there was some interesting stuff going on in this particular stock. And again, this thing right through here, here's your close at 4 o'clock, pre-market activity right through here, 9:45, market rallies, pulls back, finds this high of day of 474, and then pulls back. Now, I was, again, looking to get long the breakout of trendline resistance. Regrettably, I missed that opportunity again. I was a little bit all over the map today with stocks that I was looking at, but nonetheless, I did get it together. And you can see that this thing rallied all the way up to about 474 before creating that double top and pulling back. It was actually this pattern right through here, this little flag that I was looking to trade, and I did just that. So I bought the bottom of the flag, and I just simply targeted out for 480. And I set the the sell order at 480, we got filled, and this thing, you can see, this thing actually rallied up to 490, but by the time it hit that 490 mark, I'd already been sold out of this position. So again, a nice little trade. We were buying right up in that I would say 440, closer to trendline resistance area, and then we got out of this thing at 480. So this was the two trades that I had on deck today. Again, both of them exposure to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's a crazy thing. I don't do anything with Bitcoin, but I have noticed that over the last couple weeks for sure that a lot more of these low float small cap stocks are becoming even more volatile when the companies are reporting and hinting around the fact that they've got exposure to Bitcoin. So this is JTPY, JetPay Corporation. Again, exposure to Bitcoin. You can see that this thing was in serious movement today. It is trading a lot lower than the highs of day, but that's what we did. So missed the opportunity on this breakout right here. I got the smaller flag towards the top, took out high of day, double top area right through here, cashed out at that 480 mark, and closed the trade out on another positive day. If you have any questions about this trade or other trades, give me an email. I'm at info@jlewisTrading.com. Like and subscribe to the channel, and also check out the links below. We are going to be starting that webinar service where I'll be broadcasting how to get in front of these types of trades, and you'll also be able to, if you're in the webinar group, take advantage of the swing trading model that I'll be going through with the students and clients that are in the webinar. We'll be doing that a little bit more publicly starting halfway through January. So feel free to sign up for that. Email me with any questions. I'm at info@jlewisTrading.com. Thanks for watching.